Well, good morning. Today I've just come up to Caboolture River. I had a heap of fish framed and I thought, oh well, I may as well put the pots in, and I've just done that. And I thought, oh well, come up, put the pots in, see if we can't get some mud crabs, have a little bit of a fish, see if we can't pick up some flathead or anything else that wants to jump on my line. And also to visit my mother, better say that. Anyway, it's going to be a pretty good day today. I think it's going to be a bit of rain later today, but I should be well and truly at my mother's place by then. Tomorrow morning I could get a bit wet because I'll leave the pots in overnight, and I'll see if I got some mud crabs tomorrow morning. But anyway, let's see how I go. I haven't been here for quite a while. Well over 12 months anyway. Anyway, wish me luck. Oh, you bloody thing. Bloody hell. Bloody pike eel. Look at that bastard. I've said it before and I'll say it again. There is not an aluminium boat built big enough for a pike eel and a fisherman. And that's a big bastard. The pike eel. I just put the pots back up in to King John Creek. Obviously I didn't have any luck with the fishing, but we'll probably get a bit of rain tonight and tomorrow morning. But anyway, I'll go pick up the pots tomorrow. Hopefully I get a few more crabs. I got one, but I'll give that one to my mum. Anyway, until tomorrow. The next day, and I'm up King John Creek at the moment. I've had the pots in overnight. The good news is they're still here, so hopefully I haven't had a kind fisherman check them for me. Anyway, let's see if we got something in there, eh? Got a few in there, a couple of ginnies. That's probably a keeper. Might have a couple of keepers. Just have to check them. Definitely one keeper, I'd say. That's one. That's another one. That's two. Well, there you go. A couple of mud crabs. Two today, one yesterday, one for Mum, two for me. I didn't catch any fish, but hey, that's not too bad. Anyway, until next time.